you don't need to fly to Nigeria just to verify a land title if you want to invest in real estate. So on this video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step ways you can verify a land title if you're based in abroad or outside Nigeria. So all you have to do is to watch this video to the end. So if you are looking forward to invest in real estate in Nigeria, or you have a property you are seeing and you want to key into that property, you want to invest in that property, but you are not sure if the land title is verified, you want to know if that land is actually verified before you subscribe into that property. Now, the first thing you should do is to ask for the title document of that land. If it is a C of O, a deed of assignment, a deed of sublease, or a register survey plan. Now, the reason why you are asking the title document is to know what you are going to use to conduct your own search. The second is to get a professional property lawyer. Now, the reason why you are getting a professional property lawyer is to help you to conduct the search while you base in abroad. Now, the property lawyer is going to help you to conduct his own search in the land ministry or in the Surveyor General office or at NGs. Now, he's going to check if that land is under government acquisition, if that land fall under litigation, if that land is under any dispute or any court case, so that you are not going to end up losing your hard-earned money when you are trying to buy a property in Nigeria, especially when you try to buy a property right here in the city of Enugu. As a Nigerian that based in diaspora and you want to buy a property, you want to buy a land right here in the city of Enugu, all you have to do is to get the seller to get to the land title document. If he failed to get to the land title document, then you should know it's a red flag, or he send you something like court affidavit, a receipt, or he sent you something like a survey plan, not a registered survey plan. Then you should know that this is a scam, this is a red flag. Then you also need a professional real estate property lawyer that is going to guide you. So if you are watching this video and you want to verify affordable property right here in the city of Enugu, whether you want to buy a land, a house, an off-plan apartment, all you have to do is to reach out to me on this number you are seeing on your screen, 070-6728-3262, and I'm going to guide you step-by-step ways you can start your real estate journey. So I am Freddy Chinoso, your real estate friend based here in the city of Enugu, and my goal is to give you safe and profitable real estate transaction right here in the city of Enugu.